you doing? Sit.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Where's Tariq?
I didn't get girl. Stop running.
Be careful, don't run.
We put our wrestling.
What are you doing?
We won't sit over here.
Well, sit.
Mom, I have a bit.
Okay.
Mom, what leads up those stairs?
Something, but you can't go upstairs. We're staying downstairs today.
But I want to.
We're not going upstairs. Don't almost fall.
We won't fall.
Are you behaving?
Yep.
You are behaving?
Yep. Can I get my brush?
In just a minute.
Diapers?
I don't know where
I
your
want my
rock
rock.
is. Okay, if I give you the rocks, then you need to hold on to them.
I have a
Does everybody have their rock right now? Is that your rock?
Yeah. It's a my rock.
Is that your rock?
Yeah. Yeah. Because I didn't get it.
She didn't get a rock yet. We'll get her
Here,
one.
Okay.
Sharing with Zai. Get your backpack.
I'm going to sit over there. Now let me sit.
Guys, I'm out and about. It's June 28th.
Never mind, I can keep it. I'm going to.
These shenanigans. Why is your foot stuck? You have to pull your foot this way and get unstuck.
That way.
What is your tongue doing out?
Let's go to the
What did the
water
lady
fountain.
ask you? If you and Zai were twins?
Let's
Because they couldn't believe that you guys were not
Let's go
twins.
to the water fountain and get some milk.
They're the same height. When I said she's 4 and the other one was 2,
Mom,
the lady looked like, really? Wow.
Are we bigger?
And I told her the girl and boy were twins. You are bigger.
Can we sit over there? Why is
Nope.
the dirt? Why?
Sit where you're sitting.
I'm sitting. Let's move.
Yeah, the moon. Sit where you're sitting. What are you doing?
I'm hot. Why are they over there?
Because they're looking out the window. See, same height, both of them, 2 and 4. How does that happen?
Mom,
Yes, sir. I see that. A tree.
that's
It's not a real tree.
Yeah, I can build a tree. Can I touch it?
You can touch it. Quit climbing.
I just touched that.
Zai,
Right
you can sit right there. Put your legs down.
here. Mom, we need table.
You need a table.
They got a big computer.
TV.
TV. Don't you dare. They got a TV? TV. Why won't they turn the TV on?
I don't know.
Mom, can you ask them to turn it on?
No. We're getting ready to leave in just a minute, so relax. Up
When?
a few minutes.
You we have to eat. No, they're ready.
Come back.
Is that the police? No, it's not the police. I need a water. Mama, no TV.
Another
I need a
TV.
water. TV. I need a water.
Listen, you gotta listen. On the first day, God said,
I want
I command light to shine, and light started shining. God looked at the light and saw that it was good. He separated the light from darkness. God then named the light day, and the darkness night. Then evening came, and in the morning. That was the first day.
I'm
He's reading the creation.
And the second
Yeah,
day,
rock.
God said, I
That's
command the
true.
dome to separate the water
Tariq, don't do that.
above it. And command the water above it from the water below it.